Okay, we are already here na dayon sa cement mortar for plastering. We are done with the layering and filling. So pag mahuman na nimo no install ang CHB, you have already your wall na fill na layering and then okay na. Next step, para di hugaw tan-awon, mag-plaster. So aside from cement mortar block for laying, plastering is also another item to be considered. So mo na siya. Aside of tong layering and filling, we have also to consider plastering. Most estimators, however, make their estimate of mortar for block, laying, and plastering through simple guessing and calculation, assuming the quantity of cement and sand without the pain of computation. The reason is simple. Gadali, wanay oras. Mamana siya. Ang kuan, ang sagala nga reason. No? So for these reasons, we'll use the following methods accompanied by a simplified table of equivalent values. Estimating the cement mortar for plaster can be done by volume and area method. So same po no with the layering and filling, we have the volume and area method. For plastering, ato po na siyang mag-apply. We have the volume and area method. So without further ado, let's start with our example. Same example as before lang yapon. We have a wall, 3 meters by 4 meters. So by volume method, sir, saan man napagkuha ang volume na to, sir? So nagyapon tayo assumption diri. Di ba? Kung sa layering, ang thickness ng i-assume nato ni mortar is 12 millimeters. For this method, let's assume nga ang thickness, no? Diba? The volume is the length times the width times the height. Now we have the total height, we have the length, but we don't know pila man ang kuan thickness na to nga gamiton for the plastering. Now, ang thickness na to nga we can consider di mo gina siya fix no kay kung plastering magud di ba? Kung mag-plaster ang kuan mason, plaster mo guna sa gihagyod. And then but though of course na yung mga measurements, diba magbutang mo na sila nylon dra for their guide. So, we have assumptions diri, not really perfect estimation man siya, but the thickness nga pwede nato i-follow is probably 8 millimeters, 12 millimeters nga thickness, 16 millimeters nga thickness, 20 mm, or 25 mm. Actually, 25 mm kay baga na kay na 1 inch nga kuan, plaster rin. So, let's just assume no, on average lugar nga 16 millimeter nga thickness ang atong gamiton. So dali lang na siya. You just get the volume. Unsa man ang volume? Length times the width times the thickness. The length of the wall is 4 meters. The height, this should be the height. Length times the height times the thickness. The height of the wall is 3 meters. Thickness to be considered na to for this example is 16 millimeters, 0.016 meters. So 16 mm, i-divide na mo 1,000 to convert into meters. That is 0.016 meters. So the volume, the total volume for this example is 0.384 cubic meters. Na kay volume, tanaw lang ka diri sa table na to for the mortar and plaster. Okay. So for, let's say, ang atong gamiton diri is class B, mixture. So sa cement, we have the cement and the sand. This is fine sand ha, for plastering. So sa cement, so we just multiply that volume to the quantity there. So for class B, we have 12. And then, for the sand, we have 0.384 cubic meter times 1. So for the cement, actually, makuha na to dili nga number of bags is 4.608 bags. Now, remember, di ba kung giingon is it's either 0.5 or a whole number. Since nilapas man yung 0.5, lisod sa imong pagamian, ma-short na ka. So let's assume for this wall, we need 5 bags. Ano lang. And for the fine sand, we need 0.384 cubic meter. This is just the volume method. Ang area method, let's proceed with the area method. With the area method, we have also this one. No? We have factors here. For the plastering, for the cement, and for the sand, per square meter. So, ang area, dali lang. Step 1, you get the area. So, for this example, that is 12 meters. Step 2, let's say Class B concrete lang yapon. Class B mixture. We have the cement, and this is 12 square meters. And the fine sand. Fine sand. So, sa cement, we have the area, diba? And then we multiply this area with the factors there. So, for the cement, Class B, no, along this, oh no, along these values. Na. So, kung yung mamantigdan, no, we have the laylay, depende according to the thickness of your plaster. So, for this given problem, no, let's assume the given is 16 millimeters. So, we need to use the 0.192. That will give us 4.6 bags, or approximately 5 bags for this specific problem. And for the fine sand, we have 0.008, 0.012, 0.16, 0.202, and 0.025. So dali ra ni siya no, memorize on for the fine sand. Kung unsa tong thickness imong plaster, mausad ang imuang sand, no? So 8 millimeters, kung i-convert na nimo in meters, that is 0.008. Si 12 millimeters, if i-convert nimo in meters, that is 0.012. So imo lang tan-awon dira for the sand. So since atong gigamit is 16 millimeters, so we multiply that by 0.016. So that is just equal to 0.384 cubic meter. So nga naman sir, ganong kung unsa ang thickness ni plaster ang imong i-consider, mo sad ang i-consider na mo ani nga factor for the fine sand. Take note, diba si fine sand is naka cubic meter man. So actually sa fine sand, mura ni siya nakakuan, mura ni siya og naka volume method, diba? You have the 3 meters times 4 meters times the thickness, 0.016 meters, and then you have the fine sand. Okay, if you remember, for the class B of kang fine sand, yung factor is just 1. So, di ba? Imong nakuha diri is 0.384. That is just the area times the thickness. Mo to nga ang factor no aron dali ninyo madumduman for the plastering in this area method is just kuan. Yan na lang for the fine sand. The volume of the fine sand for plastering. Now take note na kani siya is for one side only. Sa usa lang kanawong sa wall. Now, what if duha ka sides sa wall ang i-consider? So, unsay pasabot nimo nga one side o two side? Diba ang wall kay ana man na, naman ay two sides. Now, kani siya nga atong na-solve is buta na to for this side lang. How about sa pikas? Okay, kung mayroon siya two sides, so we multiply this with times 2. No? So sa ato pa sa cement bags, we need 5 bags. And for the fine sand, times 2, we need that total number of cubic meter for the mortar for plastering. Aron back to back, no? Sides, two sides of the wall ang ato ang na plastiran. Okay. So right now, as of this moment, if you have any questions or clarifications, just reach out, no? Just clarify. And for your activity, so mo ninyo ang activity. You may screenshot this specific infrastructure or this specific part of the building. Now, this is a firewall. This is a firewall. And take note that the units shown are in millimeters. Ang shown ha. But sa calculations, dapat ang area is in square meters, the volume is in cubic meter, etc. Ano lang. So in this specific firewall, you have columns shown. There is also a foundation. And we have the walls. So unsaon man ni unsa may pangitanan ni sir unsay other nga kuan factors requirements ani. Okay, this is what you need to determine. The number of 6 inches CHB. Take note 6 inches CHB itong gigamit diri. Pila ka CHB ang magamit. And then the quantity of cement, sand, and gravel for Class A concrete para ni columns and the foundations as what we have discussed in the previous lecture on concrete works. The quantity of cement and sand for Class B mortar used for layering and for filling. And the quantity of cement and fine sand for Class B mixture of mortar used for plastering. Ana lang, this activity, you need to write this on a clean sheet of paper. Don't forget to write your name, write neatly, legibly, and chronologically, of course, with your solutions. Submission deadline is next week. And these are the references for this discussion. And that would be all for this discussion on masonry works.